afternoon. Welcome to 12 Years Gone. Welcome back if you're a returning viewer, and welcome if you're a brand new viewer. I'm going to be showing you the books that I just got. First, we have this book, English for book 2. By the way, these books are running so because 12-15 minutes, and I think it would help me in my learning. We also have gum, but make it by the sugar-free kind, not sugar ones. It's about sugar. We also have this book, Merely Education book. It's about worship and different stories and different leaders, and why different religions worship their leaders. Also, we have this mathematics workbook. It's very big. It has a lot of topics and working out and comprehensions. Also, we have an Espanol book, Espanol workbook, and it's basically going to help me learn Spanish better and different fluid conversations. Finally, I have a French book, which will also help me to teach French. For example, these for things like these. Or these. So anyways, these are the type of books that I got there on. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. That's will help boost the algorithm to push the video out to more people. Anyways, see you in the next video.